All right, so the next part I'd like to show is just working on neck and shoulders, because obviously with pregnancy your posture changes and you get a lot of tension through the neck and shoulders, especially if you already had it prior to pregnancy too. So this is my little kind of muscle massage vibration, little chiropractic jackhammer is what I call it and nickname it. But I just come along the shoulder blades. Lindsay, how does that feel?
Wonderful.
It's usually everybody's favorite, honestly. So I come along the shoulder blades and just work along the ribs. And then I feel and make sure, okay, now we're starting to get a little more freed up. And then also the low back. So I worked on the pelvis with her face down, but a lot of times those muscles are still tight. So I can come and work on the low back and lumbar spine just to make sure everything feels really good. And that she's walking with ease and with balance. That's always the goal. All right, how does that feel, Lindsay?
Good.
Good, thank you.